Okay, for the covalent non-acids, so I've got this little corner of my paper that I'll use for that. For the covalent, then what we're going to do, it's actually it's a simpler system of naming. If we're covalent, the name will be equal to prefix for the number, and then the first element, and then a prefix number, and then the second element. So what am I talking about here? I need to know the prefixes. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is mono. 2 is di. 3 is tri. 4 is tetra. 5 is penta. And some of these might be familiar from geometry or other situations, like tri for a tricycle, or tetra, penta for like a pentagon or a tetrahedron. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we could go on, but this is probably enough for our class. 6 is hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, nona, and deca. All right, so these are from classical languages. I think they're Greek. Anyway, so how do we use these? So, for example, CO2. The name for CO2, I have 1 carbon, so I could call this monocarbon, and I have 2 oxygens, so dioxide. Now, one little trick here, as you might know, we actually just call this carbon dioxide. So if the mono is on the first element, we just leave it off. We just omit it. But how about CO? The name for CO would be monocarbon monoxide, but this is actually carbon monoxide. So if the mono is on the second element, then we do include it. Let me squeeze in one more example here. I kind of ran out of room, so I'll just put it on the bottom. So how about S2F6? So this would be 2 sulfur, so disulfur. And then hexafluoride. Okay. So we do end the second element with "ide." Oh, sorry. There you go. Second element ends in "ide." All right. I think that's it now for the nomenclature for the non-acids with no hydrogen. We'll do another video or two for the acids.